Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's been a while since I last made a video of me going to work, so that's what it is, just me going to work in my dream car, Ford Mustang GT 2017 manual 5-liter V8 in triple yellow with the stripes on, 100% stock except from it's got a spoiler and it's got some louvers at the back and the side, if you can see. I've had it over a month now, but I never really, I always wanted to make a video but never really had the time to make a one that's actually good, worth uploading. So today I sign on at 3:18. 3:18, yeah, 3:18, and if you see here the time's already 2:37. It only takes like 8-10 minutes from here to the depot, so I'll be there early. But once I get there, I park my car at the depot where all the buses are. I have to catch the taxi, staff taxi, which will take me to the bus station, the interchange, and that is where I will be taking over, where I will be actually starting my shift, which is at 3:25. So sign on at 3:18, then I get 7 minutes until I take over the bus. Windshield is very dirty. Just clean it. It'll help for the camera to focus outside. 50 miles road here, 40 here. Yeah, like I said, I've had the car for over a month. I bought it in June. Ford Mustang GT was always my dream car, maybe for the last 10 years or more. Can't remember. I should say for as long as I remember. Just made it happen. I guess I also bought it so that I could make videos, YouTube videos. You don't see them often. Obviously you get a lot of nice positive reaction from people. Just before I left the house, some kids to us and rev it. But because the stock, it's really not that loud. Like, it doesn't sound anything special. So I do plan to change the exhaust in the future after a few months. The main problem is insurance. Without the exhaust and everything, right now I think I'm paying about under 2,000. Under 2,000, that's with the spoiler and the louvers. But without the louvers and spoiler, it comes under £1,000. and with the exhaust it comes to over 3,000. And the place where I live, it's like, you know, attached houses. And there's a lot of kids as well, like living there in that area. I don't want to wake up the neighbors earlier. Sometimes I start 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't have a fixed time. But if I change my job, like to where I have a fixed time, let's say I start 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock every day, then it's fine and I don't have to worry about waking people up, because they should be up already by that time. I start in the car 3:30 in the morning on a cold winter night. That's gonna annoy the neighbors a lot. Yeah, so I sign on at 3:18, then I finish at 1 o'clock, exactly 1, like maybe 1:05 or something like that. And I get a nice 1 hour 10 minutes break in between as well. It's not too bad. And obviously all the schools are on holidays right now, nice and quiet. And the weather's not too bad as well. I like this weather. But I like when it's raining as well when I'm driving the bus when I'm at work. There's always less passengers to pick up. It's more relaxing. I actually prefer a rainy day than a sunny day where it's over 30 degrees. But that's only because the buses are they don't have like proper AC and ventilation. I'm here now. I'll end the video. See you guys later.